I'm Navi. I'm one of the injectors here at RejuvenationMD in Bothell. And today we're doing Hyperdilute Radiesse for the neck. So I love this treatment so much because Radiesse is comprised of calcium hydroxylapatite. What does that mean? It stimulates your collagen production. It helps with your elastin and it helps with blood flow. So you really can't lose with this treatment. So today we're doing this to help with neck laxity, some neck wrinkles. It gives a really beautiful, refreshed rejuvenation of the neck. And then we're going to repeat it in about 8 weeks or so, and then again in a year. So we've already got our Radiesse mixed up, as again, we are doing this dilute, and we are about to get started. So our patient is nice and numb. We are using a cannula, so if you're scared of needles, don't be. There's no reason to be scared of needles for this treatment. So we did 2 injection sites of numbing, just local. So she should be very comfortable, but the Radiesse does have numbing mixed in with it. So as we go, she'll continue to be very numb. So we're gonna go right here, a little pinch, 1, 2, 3, boop, done, that's it. You okay? Okay. So this treatment is so great. You can do this in the cheeks to help with wrinkles and skin laxity. You can do it in the butt for a booty lift. It's really, really, it's kind of like a magic miracle worker. And you might feel a little pressure here, but if something's really pinchy, let me know, okay?
Okay.
There we go. And that's it.
All right.
Really simple. And she is scared of needles. And I convinced her to do this because there is really no needles and she's doing absolutely fantastic. And the beautiful thing with this is there's really not specific downtime. Radiesse loves water, so you might find that your neck looks a little bit swollen for a few days, and that's totally normal. There's always a risk of bruising, but because we're using a cannula, that risk is minimized. Other than that, she can go enjoy her day. I love combining microneedling radiofrequency with Hyperdilute Radiesse. A halo once a year for skin tightening is also so fantastic, and that will also target, you know, any sun damage as well, which also helps to brighten the neck. What I find a lot that my clients have concerns about or what bothers them is also the middle part of the neck right below the chin. We get a lot of skin laxity there. We want to target all of it. So that's what we're going to do. So she is nice and numb here again, just like the other parts of the neck. We're going to do a little poke, poop. Done. So easy. And that's it. And like I said, you definitely want to repeat another session because this is all about triggering that collagen production and that elastin. So we will reassess in about 8 weeks or so, do another session, and then the plan is to do this yearly.